If you use Google Drive a lot, this quick trick can save you a ton of time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a shortcut to a file in Google Drive so you can organize your files without duplicating them. This is perfect when you want the same file to appear in more than one folder or when you want faster access to something important without moving the original file. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Once Google Drive loads, sign in with the Google account that contains the file or folder you want to organize. If you're not signed in already, complete the login process and wait until your Drive home screen appears. Now find the file or folder you want to create a shortcut for. You can use the search bar at the top if you already know the name, or you can browse through My Drive until you locate it. Once you've found it, right-click on the file or folder. This opens the Options menu, which gives you several actions you can take. From the menu, look for the Organize option and click it. Google Drive keeps shortcut tools inside this section, so this is the step that leads you to the shortcut feature. After that, click Add Shortcut. This tells Google Drive that you want to create a shortcut instead of moving or copying the item. Next, Drive will ask you where you want the shortcut to go. This is the destination folder where the shortcut will appear. You can choose any folder that makes sense for your workflow, such as a project folder, a team folder, or a personal organization folder. Select the destination location carefully because this is where the shortcut will be stored for easy access. Once you've chosen the folder, click Add. In some cases, Google Drive may show a prompt asking whether anyone with the link should be allowed to access the file, or whether you do not want to grant access. If that message appears, choose the option that matches your sharing preference, then click Add Shortcut again to confirm. And that's it. The shortcut will now appear in the folder you selected, giving you quick access to the original file without making a duplicate. This is a really useful way to stay organized, reduce clutter, and keep everything connected to one source file. A few quick tips before you go. Shortcuts do not create copies, so any updates to the original file will still apply everywhere the shortcut appears. That means it's great for shared documents, project files, and important resources you want to reference in multiple places. Also, if you ever need to remove the shortcut later, you can do that without deleting the original file. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Google Drive tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.